Hey there, grammar splainies. Do you know the difference among these three expressions? Some of his paintings have been sold, certain of his paintings have been sold, and George knows which of his paintings have been sold. I'll explain those three expressions to you. Okay, in this sentence, some of his paintings have been sold. The speaker only knows or is only telling you that some number more than one, fewer than all, have been sold. We're not finding out how many exactly or which paintings. In this sentence, certain of his paintings have been sold. The speaker knows that some of his paintings have been sold and which ones they were, or which ones some of them were. It could be that more paintings were sold that the speaker doesn't know about. And finally, George knows which of his paintings have been sold. George knows the number, he knows which paintings, and he knows which paintings have not been sold. Also, this sentence is talking about more than one painting. Do you know how we know that? It's because of have. George knows which of his paintings have been sold. What if it was only one painting? George knows which of his paintings has been sold. It's only one painting, and George knows which one it is. So is this the expression you always use? Well, maybe or maybe not, depending on how much information you need or want to share. Maybe the only thing that's important in the context of the conversation is that a number greater than one, fewer than all, were sold. And sometimes you deliberately want to hide information. For instance, some of us object to your policies. In this sentence, the speaker might know more than he's saying, but he wants to protect people from being questioned or identified, so he just says a number. A number of us object to your policies. In this sentence, certain of us object to your policies. The speaker is also conveying that he has information, but he's not revealing it. This can also be a way of saying, I know what I'm talking about. I know the names, but I'm not going to tell you. Let's look at these possible responses. I know some of you object to my policies. Or, I know which of you object to my policies. The second one sounds a little bit ominous, doesn't it? To learn these expressions well, try starting off with phrases like this and completing them in a way that's true for you. For instance, some of my friends like dogs, some of my friends are bilingual, certain of my friends color their hair. I know which of my friends is oldest, or maybe I don't know. I don't know which of my friends is oldest. Here are a few other ideas for sentences like that. Some of the cities I've visited, certain of the books I've read, some of or certain of our leaders. And when you use the word certain, be sure to pronounce it properly. In American English, the T is a glottal stop. Certain. 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 If you want to see more videos on English expressions like this, just subscribe to my channel and ask me your questions in the comments.